Tired of keeping your Capcut PC masterpieces locked on just one computer? Let's break free today. I'm showing you how to easily share and move your Capcut projects, unlocking seamless collaboration and flexible editing anywhere. First, open the Capcut project you want to share or move. Then, look for the 3 horizontal lines, your gateway to the project menu, usually located in the upper left corner. Click on it, and then select Export Project. This is where the magic happens. A window will pop up asking you to name your project file and choose a location to save it. Select your destination. Capcut will then create a special project file with a Capcut extension. This file contains all the editing information, but not the actual video files themselves. To share the project, you'll also need to share the original media files. The best way to move all of this is with cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, or even a USB drive. On the other end, the recipient simply needs to download both the Capcut file and the original media files in Capcut. They can then click Import Project from the same menu and select the Capcut file you shared. And there you have it. The project will load with all the edits intact, ready for continued collaboration or editing on a new PC. Now go share your creative visions with the world.